My name is Marcel Kincher, and today I'm going to present my final project on the CS50 web programming course by Harvard University. My final project is called the Solution Manager. It is a web application that allows teams to organize all their projects in one place. We call it the Solution Manager because it's specifically focused on professional services businesses who are building customized solutions for their clients. It allows users to actually create requests, to comment and vote on those requests, and finally to promote requests to full-blown solutions if they decide to implement them. You start by registering and you provide a username as well as an email address and a password which has to be typed in twice. You will land on the home page, which looks pretty similar to the previous one. Again, you will see an introduction. We can furthermore add additional details and fields to the data model upon request. Please just reach out to the developer. You will always see like an overview about how many requests and solutions there are currently in this environment. And currently, as you can see, there are 2 requests and 0 solutions. We start by going to the requests, and that will render the request page. On here, you will see the different requests we currently have, and you will get a feeling for like them by looking at the picture, the title, the brief description. There will be 2 buttons at the bottom, which allow you to open up details and to vote on this request. You can actually create a request by clicking on the plus button in the top right corner in the menu, and you can do that from anywhere because it will open up a pop-up which will hover over everything that there is currently in the main view of your screen. You simply add all the information here, like for example, example solution and example description, and this is, for example, me. I will leave the email field empty on purpose. This is like an example what text, and this is an example y text. And then here we go. This is the launch date quarter that we are foreseeing. And for example, we are building this solution for Apple. So you remember I left that one field empty. You will always see these hints if a field is actually required. Then we provide that information before the solution gets created. You will see that the number of requests has changed from 2 to 3 because we have currently we've just added that example solution request here. Now, as a next functionality, as I said, team members can vote on the solution if they actually like it and if they promote it, they actually think it should be implemented. Then they can click on the vote up button and it will increase the number by 1. Also, all the users that have actually voted on a request will appear in the bottom right corner of the detail card of this solution. Next is that we work with workflows. So basically, this whole project solution manager is assuming that the team has implemented a workflow with different stages that they want to basically work on those solutions. And you can basically see the stages available to requests, which vary from requested verification, deferred, scoping, and rejected. So let's assume that the team has decided to actually, during scoping, they have decided to actually promote this request to a solution. Then they can click on the promote button and it will immediately turn into a solution, which opens up a few more fields, which can actually be edited by clicking on the edit box button in the top right corner, and then you will see that there is more information that you can add to this solution. So let's select a few things here and update this solution. So once updated and once promoted, it actually lands in the solutions area. And from here, you can continue editing the details as well as the workflow status. That was it, a very simple solution manager tool, which allows you to manage information about projects. I wanted to thank you very much for this challenge and for the whole course. It was great, and I look forward to using the skills in the future.